N Kamakodi, who's the MD and CEO of City Union Bank, joins us now. Mr. Kamakodi, good afternoon. There are many allegations that the RTI report speaks about. One is, of course, poor management control, sanctioning of high-risk loans from senior officials to top executives without following any of the RBI guidelines. Proposals to the tune of almost 1,600 crores were sanctioned. I just wanted to understand all these flaws. I mean, what is your response to it? How much of it is fact? How much of it is, unwarranted?
Yeah. Thank you, Sonia. Good that you asked. So I have to give you the first and summary substance is that what I want to convey is that all the points mentioned in these reports, which are already out in the public domain, have been satisfactorily addressed, and there is no pending issue. This is something which I want to assure you and which I want to tell you. Before going further, I just want to tell you how the entire process works. The matters, whatever that is given, are taken out of context, and they are, given, and they are misleading headlines. Probably make people to make weird conclusions and all. But actually, how it happens? Like say, every year you have RBI inspection. The inspection document is a sacred document exchanged between the RBI and the bank. And it is not, usually it was not meant for the public consumption. And it used to give all the major observations, minor observations, and also points where there are, deviations from the prescribed guidelines. Everything is given, and the discussions subsequently happens. Each and every point is discussed between, RBI and the bank. And the points are taken out only after a satisfactory explanation is given by the bank, and individual things are, looked into. Then there will be few, residual points for which we have to give complaints and all. So each and every point is meticulously followed, and it is conveyed, and this is something which I wanted to give. And on the 3 reports which are already published, there is not even a single outstanding point which is, pending for complaints or whatever that I want to give.
Okay.
And another thing, what you have to understand is that there is no material, new information which is available. In fact, you could have clearly seen over there, there is the divergence are well within the, tolerance limit set by the regulator. And those things are also already available on the public domain, and no impact to the P&L at all. Because
Kamakodi, we take that, Mr. Kamakodi,
over there.
Mr. Kamakodi,
yeah,
we take those points. Yes,
let me
go
complete.
ahead.
Yeah, let me complete. After that, you can ask questions. And the capital adequacy ratio is also given over there. And there is absolutely nothing which is pending out of this report. This is the first report which is given, and after which each and every point there is a satisfactory exchange of opinions and clarifications which are given, and whatever points, the satisfactory explanation given are taken off, and no outstanding points are available for all the 3 reports which are already on the
Mr. Kamakodi, just allow us to interrupt you because we have paucity of time as well. I just wanted to understand that the article indicates 120 proposals in March 2019 amounting to around 1,583 crores were sanctioned or ratified by the MD and CEO or senior officials just near year end, and this enhances the oversight lapse risk. Can you just put these numbers into perspective for us? Have you heard from the RBI on this? Is this the amount that we're talking about? How do you justify it? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, this was the point which was given in the report, and for which also we have already given the satisfactory explanation, and that's why these points are also taken off the report, and all our explanations were accepted. See, most of these sanctions, whatever that is there, are enhancements, short-term enhancements which are given to the existing customers, particularly towards the year end. Say, for example, those who are steel traders, all retail traders and all, who will be getting the year-end offers with their respective, suppliers and all. So the request and all will be given only towards the, end of the year, and we have to process those applications in the shorter span of time. And most of these things, there will be preset, parameters and the track record for that and all. And subsequently, those things would have got, most of them, because these things are 3 years, and it's a regular affair, and the seasonal credits